A fresh leak just dropped, and it's already got the drone community split. A new video shared by Igor Bogdanov shows a mysterious DJI prototype being tested out in the field. And naturally, the big question is, what are we actually looking at here? Is this the Avata 3, or the Neo 3? Right now, opinions are all over the place, but based on what we're seeing, this looks much closer to the Neo 3. And there are a few very specific reasons why. First, take a closer look at the propeller guards. The design here is extremely telling. You've got wide, thin, and very symmetrical grills. That's not random, it's a design language DJI has been using specifically for the Neo lineup. It's built around safety, portability, and lightweight performance. This kind of structure is clearly focused on palm launches, casual flying, and safe operation around people. Now compare that to the Avata series. Drones like the DJI Avata 2 are built completely differently. They use deeper, more solid duct designs that are optimized for speed, stability, and cinematic FPV flying. That's a totally different philosophy. So when you see these thinner grills on the prototype, it strongly suggests this isn't meant to be a high-speed cinewhoop. It's more likely aimed at everyday creators, people who want something simple, compact, and easy to use. Now here's where things get interesting. A lot of people are saying, wait, didn't the Neo 2 just come out? And yeah, that's true. But DJI moves fast. Much faster than most people realize. By the time one drone launches, the next version is often already deep in testing. That's just how their development cycle works. So seeing a Neo 3 prototype in testing right now actually makes perfect sense. The timing lines up almost too well. If this really is early field testing happening in 2026, it suggests DJI is already collecting real-world data, testing flight performance, efficiency, responsiveness, and probably trying to fix some of the small issues people had with the previous generation. One of the biggest complaints with the Neo 2 was weight creeping up slightly. And if you look at this prototype, it feels like they're trying to bring that back down, while still keeping the sensors and smart features intact. And then there's the testing setup itself. This isn't someone casually flying in a park. There's a laptop, a full power station, cables, it's a proper field testing environment. That usually means repeated test cycles, data logging, and real performance tuning. This is serious development work. Now, could this still be the Avata 3? Technically, yes, but it doesn't quite add up. Most industry expectations point toward the Avata 3 coming much later, possibly around 2027. DJI recently introduced newer FPV concepts, and they'll likely give those time to settle before jumping into the next Avata release. So testing something like that right now feels a bit early. But for a Neo 3 targeting a late 2026 release? This timing is spot on. So, putting it all together, the design, the testing phase, and DJI's usual development pattern, it really does look like we're seeing the early stages of the Neo 3. Or, just maybe, something completely new. Because with DJI, there's always that possibility. Either way, one thing is clear, they're doubling down on compact, creator-friendly drones, and whatever this is, it's part of that next evolution. Stay tuned, because this story is just getting started.